Hi friends, you're probably wondering why I'm showing you these pictures, but keep these prices in mind because I'm going to show you how to save some money on art supplies that we would use for rinse bowls, palettes, organization, and you're going to thank me later. I did some shopping for you. I went to TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I'm going to show you alternatives to these products that I'm showing you here, which are all wonderful and beautiful, especially the handmade ones, but not everybody can afford to pay these prices. So I went shopping for you, and I'm going to show you some wonderful options that you may never have considered. So next time you go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, HomeSense, any store like that, you're going to remember this and you're going to look around too. So here we go. Look at this dish. How pretty of a mixing palette would that be? $4.50. And this little bowl to use as a rinse cup, $2. You'll never find that online for those prices or at an art supply store. And look at these trays. This is huge and it's so pretty, $7.99. And the other one was equally as pretty and about the same size. And this one was a little bit more expensive, but it is so pretty. You couldn't find something in an art supply store or online for that price. And this little boat I thought would make a really cute rinsing bowl for your watercolors, $4.99. And to organize your art supplies, $10. And then I came across this one. You may have seen it in the beginning of the video. I think it was $26. This one has more compartments. It's a little bit larger, $12.99, and it's a Lazy Susan. How wonderful is that for your pencils? And this is a much smaller one, but if you're working in a small space, this would be perfect for $6.99. And they even have art supplies. These are alcohol ink markers, a container of 24. They're dual tip, and they are, where's the price? $7.99. Kling Art dual tip alcohol ink markers, $14.99. Watercolor brush pens, 12-pack, $3.99. These clips, which I go through like crazy, all of those for $3.99. And then to organize in your drawers or on your desk or shelves, a set of 3. And these were really great quality. They were nice and thick, $7.99. You have to check out these aisles next time you're in Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, because you will save a lot of money. This one was more expensive, but it was really pretty. This one was $14.99. And with the money that you save, buy some quality 100% cotton watercolor paper, some nice brushes that you've been eyeing for a while, or maybe a couple of tubes of professional watercolor paint. Look at this for your drawers to organize all your art supplies, $7.99 for 3 of them. And how fantastic is this? These are so expensive, and these are stackable, $12.99. You can put your markers in there and actually see what colors you have without having to take them all out of a drawer or a box. And this one has little drawers on the side, $12.99, and these are stackable, which is fantastic. And it comes in, they had them in a variety of colors. And unfortunately, with this type of store, it's either hit or miss. When you see it, you buy it. If you change your mind, you can always return it. But if you don't purchase it when you see it and you come back thinking that it's going to be there, you may be out of luck. But look at all that they have for you to choose from. And if you're working in a small area, coming up, I'm going to show you these boxes that I came across. I think that these would be great if you have a small area to work in. You can use them to store your art supplies. They look really pretty and they are so affordable. Look at these boxes. They're even lined on the inside, and they had so many to choose from. This one is only $3.99. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.